In the world of e-commerce, managing multiple Shopify store authentications can be a real challenge. But what if there was a solution that made it all seamless? Introducing the Shopify SSO application, your gateway to effortless login into multiple stores. With our innovative single sign-on feature, you can log in into multiple Shopify stores with a single set of credentials. That is either using a single Shopify store credential, or if your users are stored in any IDP, then users can log in with their IDP credentials. So, say goodbye to the hassle of remembering multiple usernames and passwords for each store. Using this application, you can log out users from multiple Shopify stores simultaneously when they log out from just one of them. You can manage, sync data like users, inventory, products, and orders across different Shopify stores effortlessly. Also, you can view the statistics of combined order data from all the stores in any one store. Example: consider having different stores for different brands or products. A customer logs in at the first store, but when they visit another, they are asked to log in again, even though they are already logged in. In this case, our Shopify SSO app automates the process by ensuring that once a user logs in on one store, they are automatically recognized and authenticated when they visit another store on the same platform, thereby improving their shopping experience. Join the thousands of satisfied store owners who are already using the application. Visit to learn more and download the Shopify SSO application. Streamline your e-commerce business today.